Outdoor adventurers and emergency preppers, rejoice! The Anker SOLIX C800 Plus is a portable power station powerhouse. This beast boasts a 768 watt-hours battery, runs demanding appliances with its 1,600 dewey surge, and refuels in a record-breaking 58 minutes. Built-in lights illuminate your campsite, while the multi-function pole doubles as a phone or camera stand and even mounts to a tripod. Plus, control it all remotely with a handy app. Anker tops it off with durable lithium iron phosphate batteries and a 5-year warranty. This isn't just a power station, it's an adventure companion. Forget bulky grills that limit your adventures. The Exit Fire & Go is here to revolutionize your outdoor cooking. This portable powerhouse packs a 56% larger grilling surface than similar-sized grills, thanks to its innovative design. Gone are the days of choosing between portability and space. Fire up with the included battery for 10 hours of grilling freedom, or plug it in for AC power at home. With a temperature range of 160 Fahrenheit to 500 Fahrenheit and 8 cooking styles, this grill lets you sear, smoke, bake, and more. Plus, smart tech ensures perfect results and easy cleanup. The Exit Fire & Go brings wood pellet grilling flavor anywhere you roam. Forget clumsy robots of the past. Astribot S1 is a game changer. This artificial intelligence-powered humanoid whiz can fold laundry, cook, and even compete in cup stacking, all with lightning speed and pinpoint precision. Imagine a tireless helper that tackles chores while you relax. This innovative design blends a rolling base with a human-like upper body, making interaction safe and natural. Astribot S1 moves at an impressive 10 meters per second and lifts 10 kilograms per arm, showcasing true robotic agility. If you're looking for a glimpse into the future of AI assistance, look no further than Astribot S1. The IMBODY Smart Coach is here to transform your home workouts. This isn't your average mirror. It's a full-fledged gym packed with a 7-gear adjustable resistance system, HD touchscreen for clear workout instructions, and a library of training programs. Plus, it caters to all fitness levels with diverse workout styles. IMBODY is available at multiple price points, with financing options, making it easier than ever to achieve your goals from the comfort of your home. The future of fitness is here. The Dnsys X1 exoskeleton uses artificial intelligence-powered motors to give your legs a boost. Hike farther, tackle inclines with ease, and even choose a workout mode for added resistance. While it might not revolutionize your daily walk, it shines for reducing fatigue on long treks. Plus, a lightweight design, swappable battery, and water resistance make it a great outdoor companion. The JMGO N1 Ultra is a 4K projector that breaks the mold with its flexible gimbal design, making setup a breeze. It boasts stunning colors thanks to a tricolor laser light source, but be aware of potential laser speckle. While the picture quality is excellent, calibration is needed for true accuracy, and gamers may find the input lag a bit high. Packed with smart features like Android TV 11 and a Dynaudio sound system, the N1 Ultra offers amazing portability. Forget your toolbox. The MAKA All-in-One Pro Laser Measure is a game changer. This handy device combines a laser measurer, stud finder, thermal imager, and even a moisture meter. Imagine ditching multiple tools for renovations and construction. The MAKA Pro Measure tackles it all. With features like cross-laser leveling, it promises precision on every project. This multifunctional marvel could be the all-in-one tool your DIY dreams are made of. Apple's finally here with the Vision Pro, a headset that merges your world with mind-blowing 3D. Imagine capturing life in stunning 3D photos and videos, or working with floating apps in your real workspace. The Vision Pro's powerful M2 chip lets you do just that, and its eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands make navigating this AR world a breeze. Dive into virtual movie theaters or seamlessly connect with your Apple devices. It's an AR playground waiting to be explored. The Apolosign PackGo is a game changer for portable entertainment. This 27-inch briefcase unfolds to reveal a full HD touchscreen powered by Android. Imagine movies, games, or even work, all on a big, beautiful display you can take anywhere. Packing a punch with an 8GB RAM processor, the PackGo delivers smooth performance, while the 6800 mAh battery keeps you powered for up to 6 hours. Built-in speakers and versatile connectivity options make it perfect for group entertainment. The PackGo exceeded its Kickstarter goal, proving it's a must-have for anyone who craves big screen fun on the go. Move over lonely commutes, Poki, the adorable in-car robot buddy, is here. This little guy reacts to your driving, offering companionship and feedback on your skills. Whether you crave a co-pilot for long hauls or a fun way to curb bad habits, Poki promises to liven up any ride. Calling all sewing enthusiasts, the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2 is here to revolutionize your craft. This high-end machine boasts a massive touchscreen, letting you navigate designs with familiar gestures. Over 650 built-in embroidery options and access to the ever-growing MySunet library provide endless creative possibilities. Plus, a dual feed system, laser guide, and smartphone app integration take precision and convenience to the next level. Calling all RC speed demons, the ARRMA TALION 6S BLX Extreme is a monster truck built for taking punishment and conquering any terrain. This 1/8 scale truggy boasts a top-shelf build with an aluminum chassis, heavy-duty drivetrain, and waterproof electronics. It comes loaded with a brushless motor for insane speeds, oil-filled shocks for smooth handling, and grippy tires to dig in on any surface. Whether you're launching off jumps or blasting through rough trails, the TALION 6S BLX is built to handle it all. This RC truck is a dream for adrenaline-seeking hobbyists who crave extreme performance and durability. Honey on tap? Believe it! The Flow Hive 2 is a beehive that lets you harvest golden goodness without disturbing your bees. It uses special frames with built-in channels that release honey at your command. No smoke, no mess, just pure beekeeping innovation. While traditionalists might scoff, the ease of harvest is undeniable. However, some argue it discourages essential hive inspections. Overall, the Flow Hive 2 is a controversial but intriguing tech marvel for the modern beekeeper. Grill masters, rejoice! The iDiAK CP10 is a game changer for perfectly cooked meat. This wireless thermometer uses Bluetooth to connect to your phone, letting you monitor internal temperatures in real time. Presets and alarms take the guesswork out of cooking, while the app lets you document your cook with notes and photos. A digital time capsule for every delicious memory. FDA certified and boasting a long range, the iDiAK CP10 might just be your new grilling bestie. Forget everything you thought you knew about e-bikes. The Reevo is a head-turning marvel from Benno Technologies, ditching spokes for a futuristic hubless design. This sci-fi silhouette isn't just for show. Reevo packs a punch with a powerful motor, adaptive pedal assist, and even theft-deterring tech. With multiple ride modes, a sleek build, and a removable battery, Reevo reimagines urban commuting, offering both performance and innovation.